Alright, this is a video on how to set up an internal memory card, internal hard drive for your PS3. You want to get a new one, want to replace your old one. This is actually my old one, 80 gigs. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna do it with this one instead of my new one because just did it, and I'm gonna show you how to do it using your internal memory without having to have an external one. So what you want to do is make sure you have one flash drive to put the put the update data on. That way you can update your PS3 correctly. And you'll need one of these easy connects. Doesn't have to be the exact same kind. Make sure it has a power cord and the UBS cord for the SATA. That way you can get it going. Because one of the power cords is made to get it spinning. The other one's made to transfer data. And your new hard drive that you want to put in. This is the one I put in the PS2 that's in currently right now. It runs like a baby, brand new baby. It is awesome. But what you want to do? So when you first get the new hard drive, it'll be a clean hard drive, nothing on it. So what you want to do is when you get to it, you can do this with a laptop or a computer. Doesn't matter, your choice. What you want to do is you want to hook it up, plug it in, make sure everything's plugged in right, and then you want to go to My Computer, Start menu, right click Computer, go down to Manage, and what will come up next is you want to click on Disk Management. That way you can go to all which this management shows is the hard drives that are currently being run on, that are plugged into the computer, or being currently run on them. What you want to do is you see is that that new hard drive, which is right here, is not readable. So it's not initialized. Has nothing on it. It's brand new baby. It's nothing on it. So what you want to do is you want to right click it and go to convert to dynamic. No, hold on. Mark that. You want to click on it and go to new sample volume. What it'll do is it'll show you the amount, like this number right here is this top number and the bottom number, the total numbers of maximum size. What you can do is you can divide them in half and make two hard drives into one. But I don't want to do that. I don't really care to have two hard drives on one. So what you do from there, you go to next. You can assign a folder to whichever letter you want it to be. You got a choice from A through Z. You got a whole selection. So I'll put this one as G. You got a little set. And you can go let it format to the NTFS format, default it, let it go, and finish. What it'll do, it will format it. It'll take at least about a minute or two. It shouldn't take that long. So when you get some formatting, make sure what you want to do is have the program set it up to format it. Format it, and what you want to do is get to format to FAT32. You want to go to, type it in Google or Yahoo. I prefer Google. Type in Ridge Corp format. I spelled it wrong by accident, but click there. See, the first one comes up. And click here. What you'll do is you'll follow this link here. You go to this link here to try it here. All this is just stuff you want to. If you want to read it, go ahead. Just waste the time though. You click here. What it'll do is take you directly to the link to download it. And what it is, you can click on the picture. The picture is the link itself. And what you can do, I advise you to do, is when you save it as something. That way you can see it. That way you know it's there for sure. Some people save stuff and they forget what it's called. I'm gonna save it as PS3 formatting. PS3 formatting. And save. That's simple. So that way, so now you have it downloaded. You can exit it off, but you'll have to come back to this later to go to the PlayStation website. So now that your new hard drive is now readable on the computer, you can see it. What you do is you go down. You can click on it from here, or just go here to this file. You see they already registered the new hard drive. You can see it. You can but what I like to do is I like to go to it, right click. What you want to do is go down to downloads. Go down to PS3 formatting, which I saved it as. You might save it something different. It's up to you. What it'll do is pop up as you want to run it. It's safe. It's not going to do anything to your laptop or computer. It's not going to run it down. What it'll do, you can choose which hard drive you want. And since mine is saved as G, it's a new one, newer volume. You can select that one, and then and then start the format. You can save it as something else like PS3. I'm gonna use new volume, so I feel like changing it. So when you do this, it takes about a minute. Shouldn't take too long. It's pretty quick. So when you get this done, what you want to do is wait till close comes up so you can click on close. While you're waiting, what you can do, you can go down to the PS3 website, the PlayStation website. Yeah, add a new tab, whatever. But it should be relatively easy to find. You can scroll down to all the way to the bottom. You got PS3 system update. What you want to do is update. You have to have this in order to get it to running functionally when you put your new hard drive in. Pull it up, and what you can do, shows you how to download it. When you go to download it, it gives you instructions on what to do when you download it. Just read through that. It's not that hard. It's like all you do is where this little guy comes in. You save it to the hard drive as it says. You go to file. Okay. Oh, you got it. But when you do this, I advise you format this hard drive to FAT32 also. To do the same things you do for the hard drive. Not that hard. It's pretty simple. It goes by fast when it's the smaller one. For some reason, what you want to do is you want to create a folder. All capitals PS3. Then within that folder, you want to create one that says update, and that's all capitals also. Then you want to save it. You want to save it. Make sure it looks just like that when you save it. Otherwise, it won't come up correctly. So it doesn't look like that. You better change it. If you want it to come up, if you want it to start it right. From there, once that's on there, you can unplug it, set it off to the side for when you need it. So then from there, you go back to the hard drive that was being initialized, that was being formatted. It's done. So you just click close, and you're done with that. Now from there, I gotta turn. What you want to do is make sure it's all off. Unplug it from the back. Make sure there's no power, so that way if something happens, somehow it turns on magically. Little sister or brother comes in, wants to push the button. That can actually mess up the data on the one you currently have. What you want to do, pull it out, slides right out. Mine slides right out like on the old ones. This is what it'll look like. See, the thing about it is, there are 4 screws on the side, which I'm missing 2 of mine, that hold it in place. You unscrew those, you take them out. You slide this out. Do not touch the bottom. You touch the bottom of the hard drive, it can risk ruining the data on it. You can end up not being able to format anything on here and all that good jazz. It's really not good. Okay, let's run across some great information. Somebody changed out the hard drives again. This is the original hard drive came with 80 gig Toshiba. Most of them are Toshiba. Mine's a Hitachi, new one, which I'm just reformatting again. Unfortunately, lucky me. So what you do is you unscrew it, get your new hard drive, unplug it from everything that's been hooked up into, and from there, because with the new format of FAT32, you will now have the ability to format it